this customer's house. We installed this kitchen for them. Now they want to put a closet system in here. That's what we're working on today here. So we've got our frame built. Now the issue that we're running into is we have the baseboard here that is not allowing the cabinet to go back onto the wall. So to fix that, we have to remove the baseboard around the items that we're going to be installing here. First thing I do in this scenario is we want to center this unit in the opening between the walls and the unit. So I'm just measuring the same distance from this side to this side. So the first thing I'm going to do is just check with my tape measure and make sure I've got the same distance on the right and left side here. So I'm just pulling off from the wall. We've got 27 3/8. And then on this side, we've got 27.5. So we could come over just like a 16th. What that's going to do is allow it to be centered in the room from wall to wall. Now, I need to make sure that this is level before I mark my line. So I'm going to check my level mark here. I've got it leveled up. So I know that these lines are level now. So I'll take my pencil. Scribe that. I'll mark that side down. And I'll do the same thing on this side here. So now we've got that marked. This base, however, is higher than my 4.5 inches. So I can't just cut all of the base out. I'm gonna have to cut the side out, and then I need to leave the top part here. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this quarter round. So that's gonna allow me to get back to that main piece of base here. And then I can scribe that line after I can get this down onto the ground. Okay, we've moved the unit out of the way, and here's my lines that I need to cut out here, right and left. So I use this as my Dremel. It's a multi-tool. It allows me to do a plunge cut into this. So I'm going to start by just removing just the quarter round first so I can get back to this base. All right, so I've got that cut right there. Now I need to take the caulk away to let this come out. So I'll take a utility knife. We'll score down this seam to take the caulk out so that's not holding it on there anymore. You can pry this away. So there we go. Now we've got the quarter round out. Now I can put my unit back in here and mark it. So now I've got the quarter round out. That allows me to get back to my baseboard here. That. Now what I've got to do is make sure that this unit is level. We've got that in level, going across, and then we're going to double check this level here, and we're good. So now I can mark this back out here. So this is the line that we need to cut out. We're going to cut up that. We're going to take it all the way down. We're going to come up on that. And now I've got my lines that I need to cut out. So I need to come up there, take all that out, do the same thing over here. And we're going to leave this top section in. Alright. I'm just cleaning this up so when I put it back, it's ready to be caulked. We don't have any of these little frays. There we go. Get that cut out. Now we can set our unit back in here. Here we go. Now we're able to go right back to the sheetrock now, and it gives us a finished look, ready to be caulked here.